Prosecutors once again zeroing in on an alleged shakedown of a Burger King franchise owner in the federal corruption trial of once powerful alderman Ed Burke. Lawyers grilled the owner over allegations that Burke held up permits until he hired his private law firm. Burke's attorneys say there was nothing improper about this. WGN's Mike Lowe is covering this case and has more from the Dirksen Federal Building.
Burger King franchise owner Showkat Dhanani was on the stand for a second straight day. He had told prosecutors he felt pressure to hire Ed Burke's private law firm to ensure that the alderman wouldn't hold up construction permits for remodeling he was doing on the restaurant. Today, Dhanani was cross-examined by defense attorneys. Showkat Dhanani sat for a second day of intense questioning on the witness stand in the Ed Burke trial. Dhanani, the co-CEO of the Dhanani Group, owns hundreds of fast food restaurants, including one at 40th and Pulaski in Chicago's 14th Ward, once represented by Ed Burke. This is a photo of Burke meeting with Dhanani and other Burger King employees in 2017. Prosecutors allege that Burke pressured the restaurant owner to hire his private law firm to do property tax appeal work, holding up needed construction permits until he did so. This is a phone call between Burke and a political contact in Texas named Rodney Ellis, who was advising Dhanani.
Yes, and give him the old...
I'll let him know how important you are.
Well, you're good to do that, but I'd also like to get some of his law business and get him involved here in
Chicago.
Prosecutors presented another phone call, this one between Burke and his aldermanic aide Peter Andrews, as evidence that Burke was holding up the permit process.
Why was I able to hold it up? What did they need from me?
Well, they needed the driveway permits and everything signed off on.
Well, I don't remember signing off on any driveway permits.
During the cross-examination today, Joe Duffy, one of Burke's defense attorneys, sought to show jurors that what prosecutors described as extortion didn't amount to anything illegal. He asked Dhanani about the so-called shakedown at the Union League Club. Joe Duffy said, "In this meeting at the Union League Club, he didn't demand that you give him legal business or else he would hold up your remodeling, did he, sir?" Dhanani said, "No." Dhanani told Burke he would explore hiring his firm, and work resumed on the restaurant. In the end, Dhanani never hired Burke's firm, and the remodeling was completed. Today was a half day in court because of the Thanksgiving holiday. Judge Virginia Kendall told the jury she was thankful for them. Reporting at the Dirksen Federal Building, Mike Lowe, WGN News.
Okay, Mike, thank you.